Hello and welcome back. This is Steve from Box Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have a single coin from Russia. This is the symbol of the Russian bank. It is gold in colour, although I don't believe it is a gold coin. I believe it is gold, like a thin gold covering to the coin. I'm not exactly sure when this is. I think it may actually be a token rather than a coin, although it does have the Russian symbol on it, the twin-headed eagles with the crown between them. So I think this is gold plated rather than gold. On the back, this is why I'm not sure of the year. This is a dragon token. There's no value printed on the coin that I can see. There is no date on the coin. Now, I don't know whether this was made by the Russians for the year of the dragon, which would either be 2024 or 2012. If it was the year of the dragon, I've got a feeling it was likely to be 2012 rather than 2024. It's because I had this in a collection of tokens that I bought about 3 or 4 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago minimum. So I believe that this would have been, if it was a year of the dragon one, it would have been the previous year of the dragon, which was 2012. It has a very ornate large dragon with 3 claws, which is a lucky dragon. The depiction of the dragon itself is beautiful. It's very ornate. It reminds me a lot of the Chinese drawings of dragons that I've seen, and that harks back for several decades in my life. I've seen these drawings, which is probably why I like it so much. What do you think of this? This is only going to be a short video, so hopefully you enjoy this particular token. I'm calling it a token because I don't know whether it is a medal or a token. I've not, when I went through CoinScope and things like that, I couldn't actually identify the coin itself or the token itself. So I've had to sort of read between the lines. I think it's, as I say, probably or possibly made for the year of the dragon as a token / medal. There is no valuation on it and there is no date on it, so it's difficult to know exactly what it is. As I say, I tried when I looked on CoinScope, which is an app you can get for your phone, and also several other places including your Mister. I couldn't actually find this coin or this medal token, whatever it happens to be. I do enjoy it. I think it was nice, which is why it was a bit special. So that in the size of it and the fact that it's a golden colour and it works well with the dragon's form on the back. I don't actually know an awful lot more about this token / medal / coin, but I thought it was nice enough to show it on one of these videos. That actually ends this review. It's fairly short because I couldn't find the information I'd require to give an in-depth review. I still hope you've enjoyed it, and if you did, could you please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything and it does help the channel out. If you have not yet done so and you believe I deserve it, I would really enjoy you, or I'd really like you to subscribe to the channel. I am trying to improve my subscriber numbers again this year. I'm currently on about 301 subscribers, which is, I'm part of the way to my total, or my target, should I say, 425 this year, by the end of this year. That's 425 subscribers. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.